What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, to my channel. Ooh, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, to my channel. Man, what's up, y'all? Glad to see y'all. Glad to be back rocking with y'all. You feel me? It's been a minute, but it's only been a few minutes. You feel me? Today is an outrageous 75 Chevy Vert that has caught my eye. And yes, it's sitting on 32s and it's got about 3,200 speakers in it. This hoe is so clean. I had to react to it. I'm pulling from like several shots. I think the most of them will come from Ace Whips. Ace One Whip. So shout out to them for even catching it, because it showed up at the Rick Ross car show, and then I think they whoever painted it or whatnot, it's in a shop. I'll just put it like that. Somebody opened a new shop and it was over there too. So we're gonna look at it from every angle that they let us look at it. You feel me? So let's just check it on the pull out. You feel me? Hold up, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. You know that's very, very good for the channel. I appreciate you guys. I know you're gonna hold me down. Man, I'm 32's got that joker set so high. It look real good in these shorts, but it ain't, you know, it ain't really just doing it all the justice. Ooh, nasty. Let's go catch this other. I'm gonna go catch this other shot of it right quick. Okay, people, here go another cool shot of it pulling out. Right there, you see them 32s, got the lights behind the wheels. Okay, I see 4 screens in it, and that outrageous paint is catching all those blues and pinks and purples. Pretty damn clean, man. Pretty clean, if you ask me. But I'm finna cut to the main shot of it, one where we gonna get to look at it from every angle, where you get to dissect it from a whole, you feel me? Now, ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on this beast. Not this one, it's coming up. Shout out to Ace Whips, man. I'm making sure I give them their credit for their video, because they're the reason I even caught this car. I didn't know nothing about this car. Them catching the footage of it is the reason that I was able to even see this beauty. And it is a true beauty for real. Man, them 32s look like barrel up in that fender. That fender right there, man. Oh, that thing is so in cuff right there. Then look at that door panel. That door panel, it's painted outrageous too. I don't know what are those 5x5, 4x4, whatever. Hey, that fiberglass encasing that they put on that door. You can't even tell. I can't even tell how they shut the door. There's nowhere to pull the door up, so you must have to grab it from the outside and boom, shut it like that. I don't see the window controls or nothing. Then look like they almost went with like almost like a outrageous looking blue leather. The leather looks similar to the color CJ put in his Cybertruck. So yeah, it's pretty clean. Man, that damn screen and that dashboard over there, that a 19-inch or a 32-inch? Y'all tell me. And while you trying to figure out the size of that screen, you might want to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because you know we doing sports content, and we checking out these fire whips all across any and everywhere. If it's nice and it's out there, we're gonna find it and we're gonna talk about it. Oh yeah, it's got the Tierra grill on the front. I don't know if it's lit up, but it's got Tierra grill. I like what's going on with the headlights too. And like I said, them 32s is a 10 hut, man. So this is STN Customs, new location in Jacksonville, Florida. So some of y'all from that area probably know this shop. But yeah, this is a clean little Vert, or a big Vert. It really look like a boat, for real, for real. Sitting so high off the ground, man. Y'all catch that paint, right? That outrageous paint picking up on the pinks, purples, and reds. And then like in the lower part of the same panel, you get a lot of blue coming in, so it's nasty. It look like they got a hint of that blue or that outrageous paint on the inside of each spoke on the 32-inch wheels. So they got the color dancing around. The car got flow because the color is dancing around it everywhere, just in the details. You know what I mean? I'm gonna tell you something I hadn't seen since I was young, like antenna on both sides of the trunk. That's throwback. So it's gotta be, the owner to this car gotta be an older guy. I don't see a younger guy doing that. You can kind of see, you can see that on the wheels right there. Let's go back. You can see that color on the rims right there. Especially on that back wheel, you can see the paint color matching the paint of the car on the 32. Real nice. Ooh, wait, that thing outrageous, boy. That thing catch. You don't sell this. Now look how that sun, look how the sun got that blue acting up on this side. Almost like a powder blue, you know what I mean? Just, you don't see none of the pink, none of the purples, none of that on this side. The sun got those pearls jumping and you just getting the straight blue on this side. Or powder blue. There you go. There go that pink and that purple coming in. Man, y'all jump in the comment and let me know how much it costs to do a build like this. Not to mention the 32. What would it cost to get a car like this? You know what I mean? In this good of a shape. That outrageous paint is busting. It ain't quite busting as much as CJ032's outrageous paint jobs be doing, but it's still super damn clean. I see where they had to notch the body so you can clear that wheel on the turn. I ain't gonna lie now, if they trying to, it seems like they got this color on the whole fleet. That Range Rover is sick. That hoe is busting. I don't even know if I would've, I'm not saying the gold wheels really ain't hurting it at all, but I just wouldn't have went with gold wheels, the gold plate on the face. I don't know if that's like a 3-piece or what, you know? Got the Benz painted, and probably 30s or 30, yeah, there might be 32s on that Benz. They just wet the whole fleet up with the same color. This is some Rick Ross type stuff right here, if you ask me. Them new schools are nice, but they just not setting as tough as this old school. 72. What'd I say, a 75 Vert? I can't remember. Bumping a little Kodak. If I ain't mistaken, that car got a backup alarm on it. That's a true boat. Ooh, that pearl cut up on that thing, man. What is that, a LS in there? What is that? Man, that's nice. Pastels, look like you can see some pastels in the paint. That thing got a screen in it. Man, they so space age with the dials and the buttons and the meter, you know, with the gauges and stuff. It's so space age in there. Somebody fiberglass that whole dash, and they will own it, cause that looks alien. It looks very over the top. I mean, you know, different. It looks like something that when you go to the show, you won't see nothing out there that look like it. Period. I know if that's the look they were looking for, they pulled it off. And like I said, the gauges, the way the gauges are sitting in that fiberglass, it's sick, man. I like it. It's totally different. I would love to film it in person because it is totally different. Those doors must be pretty heavy because I see they got blocks and that hinge to hold it open. Ooh, let's see. 4, 7. You got 4 on that panel over there. Okay, 4, 7. And then that's 11. Then you got 15. And it's probably, shit, I'm gonna say 5 down there. At least 5. I'm gonna say 4. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 speakers in the back, no back seat. Got that joker walled off. That joker probably cut up something stupid, boy. You can't. Well, guys, I ain't gonna hold you. This joint is so clean, but I could talk to you for hours about it, and that ain't what we're trying to do. I know y'all gotta get to dinner, you gotta get back to work, you gotta get cross town to your son's game or your daughter's game. So hey, I appreciate y'all for coming in with your boy, spending a little time with me when we check out these 5 whips. And I'm look, man, I'm already on to the next one, man. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out Miss J05 gaming channel if you're into gaming and things of that nature. Don't forget to check out my boy Josh Johnson channel if you're into podcasting. And I'm gonna have all these links below. And if you're into fixing your credit, don't forget to check out my boy Victor Hayes. I have his link below also. And like always, man, appreciate y'all coming by the channel, rocking out with me, and we're gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace out. Ah.